A fry. Girl, I tell me say she want. Girl, I tell me say she want. Girl, I tell me say she want. My girl, she want me come over.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be using the Fruits Cosmetics Fruitsmelody palettes, and here I've highlighted all of the colors that I will be using. The first thing I'll be doing is placing my colors. So I'm placing all of my crease colors, and then I'll go in with a crease brush to blend them out using a different color. Right now I'm going in with the red to blend out the purplish pinkish color, and then I'll be going in with the yellow, and I'm literally just patting that on to blend out the red. Next I'll be going in with a pink to blend out the purple, and then I'll go in with a lighter pink to blend out the darker pink. Listen, if y'all don't have this blank canvas base, go and get it. It is the best base ever. So I'm using the blank canvas from P.lousie, and I'm using that to cut my crease. And when I tell you it is the best base for colors, it is the best base for colors, okay? So I'm just filling in the space on my lid with the blank canvas base, and then I'll just be blending it in, and I'm using a packing brush to do so. So I wanted this look to be really bright and then go transition to a really dark color. So I went in with the Mayo Makeup Neon Pigment stack, and then I'll be using the palette, the Fruitsmelody palette, for the rest of it. But just to get that front part very, very bright, I went in with the neon yellow out of the Neon Pigment stack from Mayo Makeup. So a lot of people ask me how I get to blend the colors on my lid, and this is what I'm showing you guys. Normally I don't put it in, but all I do is I pull one color into the next and then pat it down. That is literally all I do to blend, okay? And you see it's blended, period. Y'all can tell, look at that, I'm so proud. Right, so next up I'm doing my wing, and I'm doing my wing with the blank canvas base. So all I'm doing is drawing my wing, and then I'll fill it in with the colors in reverse. So I'll start off with the purple, the pinkish reddish color, the orange, and then the neon yellow at the end.
Fry. Girl, I tell me say she want. Girl, I tell me say she want.
Right, so I always like to secure my lash line with a black eyeliner. So I'm going in just on my lash band, and I am just putting the black there, and that's just to lay my eyelashes on. Next, we're just popping on a little bit of sparkle using the Truebold glitter liner, and I'm just doing this along the wing line. Right, so we're moving on to the base, and I don't think there's much that I have to say about the base because I've done videos on bases. I may do another one, but all products will be listed below. So if you want to know what I used, just go ahead and jump down in the description, and I will let you know everything that I used on the base. Enjoy the music, guys. This is from a local artist here on Montserrat called Fry from Jamaica. So big up yourself, fry. In the meantime, y'all listen to the tunes.
Jumping at the Corolla and drive come right now me dey pan quarantine. No me nah go nowhere, me lock me like sardine. Tell me no say you vex. Me want to put a icky on your neck. Girl, look the password for my Netflix. Verse 2, me I go get down to the nitty gritty. I be tell you say baby me love the way your pussy pretty. Play with the thing rough, make your ball richy. Me no use tongue, me no bow, me no lippy. Man a bad man, no me no chichi. Yeah, you too rude, bad girl with the pretty titty. Give me any girl, me no afraid, me no picky. My girl, my boo, my little kitty. Yeah, girl, you know say me tempted, but me might get arrested. Try a thing like MacGyver, or stop on my heart on a survivor. You know hear about the corona, me hear the something better than Al-Qaeda. Yeah, me know you vex like Lashana, but me a go stop on my yard and hold it out, massa. A fry. Girl, I tell me say she want. Girl, I tell me say she want. Girl, I tell me say she want. Yeah, yo, my girl, she want me come over. Girl say she want the loving, want me come over. Me say girl, you know here but the corona. She said so, just jumping at the Corolla and drive come right now me dey pan quarantine. No me nah go nowhere, me lock me like sardine. Tell me no see your vex. Me want to put a icky on your neck. Girl, look the eye from the Netflix. A fry. Girl, I tell me say she want. Girl, I tell me say she want. Girl, I tell me say she want. My girl, she want me come over. Girl say she want me loving, want me come over. Me say girl, you know here but the corona. She said so, just jumping at the Corolla and drive come right now me dey pan quarantine. No me nah go nowhere, me lock me like sardine. Girl me know say you vex. Me want to put a icky on your neck. Girl look the password from me. Yo now my phone a ring. She said she want to video me. She said she want to Skype. Girl I show me pussy picture and I tell me where she like. Girl I tell me say fi come, she want to ride me like a bike. She want to lie down on the bed. Want me turn off all the lights. Girl I tell me say she want the body. She a tell me she no wanna lovey-dovey.
Right, so I'm putting on my lashes. I didn't show you guys how I actually apply the lashes because my previous video was about how to apply lashes. So I'll make sure I link it at the end as a video for you guys to check out, and probably a video about the base as well. So yeah, I'll probably link those two at the end so you guys can refer to them if needed. But this is it, y'all. I'll catch you in my next one.